Basic accounting equation is the basic formula used in company bookkeeping. This formula states that company assets are equal to its liabilities plus owner equity in its mathematical formula. The basic accounting equation can be expressed as follows: asset, liabilities, owner, capital. This formula reflects that all resources or assets owned by the company must be funded by funding source originating from the company liabilities and owner equity. This creates a balance between what the company owns and what the company must pay to a third party. Component in the basic accounting equation. A more in-depth understanding of its component of this equation is follow. Number 1. Asset. Assets are one the main component in the basic accounting equation. Assets are all economic resources owned by business entities that have economic value. This could be cash, property, inventory, investment, or account receivable. In the context of the basic accounting equation, assets are part of what business entity owns. Obligation. Liabilities are the second component in the basic accounting equation. Liabilities are financial obligation that business entity has toward third party. This could be debit, loan, or other obligation. Liabilities are part of what business entity has to pay. Number 3. Owner equity. Owner capital is the third component in the basic accounting equation. Owner capital represents the amount invested by the owner of business entity in the business. It also includes the profit or loss generated by the business from its operation. Owner capital is the difference between assets and liabilities, reflecting the owner equity in the business. Accounting equation formula. The basic accounting equation consists of three main elements. Asset. A. This includes all the resources a company owns. Asset can include cash, property, equipment, account receivable, and more. Liabilities. Liabilities include all the debts that company must pay to a third party. This could be bank debit to supplier, or to third debit. Capital is initial investment of the owner or shareholder in the company. It includes all of the owner investment used to finance the company operation. The basic accounting equation formula can be formulated as follows: A K plus M is formula. Total asset must always be equal to total liabilities K plus the company capital. That's why this equation is often referred to as the basic equation, because it is the basic for all accounting records. The importance of the basic accounting equation. The basic accounting equation has an important role in the business world. It is the foundation of the accounting system and has several key functions. Monitor financial health. This equation allows companies to monitor their financial health by maintaining balance between assets, liabilities, and equity. Company can ensure that they have sufficient funds to meet their obligations. To avoid mistakes, the basic accounting Equation help in identifying error in financial recording if total assets are not balanced with total liabilities and equity. It indicates an error that needs to be corrected. Number 3. Measuring performance. This equation is also used to measure company performance by comparing assets to liabilities and equity from period to period. Company can see whether they are experiencing growth or decline. Important principle in the basic accounting equation. In the application of the basic accounting equation, there are several important principles that must be considered. These principles include: number 1. Conservative. The principle of conservative records company to record potential loss at the time, but potential gains are only recorded when they are certain. This ensures that company financial statements do not overly optimize, which could obscure the true financial reality. Consistent. The principle of consistent records that company must follow consistent rules and methods in preparing financial reports. This includes recording as transaction, classifying team, and then preparing financial report below. We will see how this equation is applied in practice. Step 1. Transaction recording. Every time financial transaction occurs, be it purchase, sale, or payment, the company must record. For example, when a company purchases $10 worth of inventory with cash, this transaction is recorded into cash in asset. Tip 2. Classify transaction. Transactions are then classified into the appropriate category, namely asset, liabilities, or equity. In the example above, increase in inventory increase in asset will decrease in cash is decrease in asset. Step 3. Prepare financial report. After all transactions are recorded and classified, the company prepare financial report, including balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and cash flow statement. The basic accounting equation is used in preparing balance sheet, which reflect the balance of asset, liabilities, and equity. Common mistake in accounting. Although the basic accounting equation is simple concept, there are often errors in its application. Some common mistakes in accounting includes misclassifying transactions. This liability or equity. This can upset the balance in the basic equation. Not recording transaction. This error occurs when company forget or neglects to record transaction. This can cause discrepancy between financial report and the actual situation. Ignoring can in the basic equation. When there are in the basic accounting equation certain increase in owner equity or distribution of profit, these gains must be recorded properly. Ignoring them can result in error in financial report. Conclusion. The basic accounting equation is important foundation in the world of finance. It provides a solid foundation for a company accounting system and help in preparing accurate and relevant financial report. With a good understanding of this equation, company can monitor their financial health, avoid mistakes, and better measure their performance. That's why understanding the basic accounting equation is key to running a successful business in world full financial complexity.